I wanted to note a couple other products by Aurora Canvas, Aurora Textile, and they're both canvases. Now, the Aurora Expressions is your flagship canvas. You know, that's their highest end, 2-in-1. It's beautiful. But sometimes you want to go and look a little more for price, because there's a lot of different canvas applications. We very much focus on the commercial canvas market, printing in hotels and a lot of places where, you know, very high-end canvas might not be completely necessary. And two of the products that I have run recently from Aurora, one is called the Aurora Expressions Decor Plus canvas, and then the other one is the Aurora Expressions Silk canvas. These are both very nice canvases. As you can feel them, they don't have the weight that the Expressions does, but they're also a step down in price. So if cost savings matters and you still want to have a very nice canvas, both of these are good choices. Now, the imaging that you're going to get, the detail work, the solid color on the silk is not going to quite match the Expressions, because it has, you know, more layers of coating, more treatments to make sure everything is absolutely the best of the best. But it still looks and feels and has all the hallmarks of a classic canvas, including a very nice white point. And then you also have the Aurora Expressions Decor. This is a little rougher on the surface, but in some cases people like that rougher texture. Sometimes it's not even just about price point, it's also about the way the canvas looks or feels. And you can have something a little rougher with a little more tactile feel on it, and the customer may like that. There's a lot of things that people look for in different canvases, and Aurora has different SKUs depending on what the customer's expectations are. Both of these ran flawlessly. Now, they are not certified medias, neither of them. What I did is I run them through the printer, and I build a preset directly on the 500 series or on the 365, and I get an excellent result from them, and then I just print on them. Most canvases will run on a latex printer. One of the things you have to remember to be successful if you're building your own preset, I tend to start at 12 pass. I like 12 pass presets. That's your high quality mode. And I usually try to put between 110 or 120% ink down. But here's the key. You have to put enough optimizer down. This Aurora Expressions Decor has a lot of texture. It has almost burrs on it. And if you don't put enough optimizer down, the ink will hit the canvas and it will sort of bleed into the valleys. You want to keep it up on the top, and you do that by turning up the optimizer. Usually with canvas applications, if it's certainly a textured canvas, more of a matte finish, or it has more of a calendared finish and it's rough, you don't have that nice smooth gesso, I will tend to increase the optimizer, and I'll start around 35. I have gone as high as 45 on certain matte canvases, but I'm going to be someplace between 30 and 40 in most cases, and I usually start at 35. You can do optimizer tests to figure out what's the optimal amount to have, but you're going to need some sticky. If you want to think of it, think of optimizer like sticky. And if you're printing on an irregular surface like canvas, you need more sticky. If you're printing on a nice flat surface, you need less sticky. And canvas is probably the thing that I use the optimizer on most. Both of these run great. Both of these print beautiful. They are not certified. They're both from Aurora. I built the presets myself. I do recommend them. I do think they're nice canvases, especially at the price point that they sit at. And a lot of times, price is really going to matter, especially on a really big job where, you know, every couple cents can really make a difference. Right? Aurora Canvas, non-certified, great products as always from Aurora, and HP Latex 365 and 500 series.